Introducing Glossier, the ultimate WordPress theme for beauty and cosmetics. To buy Glossier, we have one-time payment and we provide list of features without any hidden charges. Today we are going to learn quick theme installation. Let's begin with install fresh WordPress. All these are default WordPress setting. In the left side of the sidebar, you can see different tools. Now we're gonna learn how to upload theme. Navigate to appearance, then themes, click on the add new theme, then upload theme button. Here you can choose your zip file where you already downloaded theme package. Click the install theme button and the final step is activation. The next one is install all recommended plugins. Click all plugins to install and apply. Scroll down and click return to required plugin installer. The next step is active all plugins. After install all the plugins, you just simply have to active the plugins. Further step is install theme demo. Go the appearance and click import demo data. So here you can see the page. Click demo import page to continue as import. While importing the demo data, it will take few seconds for importing content. Once you successfully import the data, your website is shown as same as our store site. Coming to the how to add child theme. Click the add new theme button. Besides the add theme, click the upload theme, choose file, install now and press the activate button. Once this process is done, you can able to see the Glossier child theme. Now next is select page as home page. Navigate setting in the sidebar to click the reading button. Once you select static page and changes in home page, block page, what looks best for you, then click the save changes. Once all these changes are done, just check the site. After installation of all the themes, now you can customize themes according to what looks best for you. Now we're gonna see 100 plus theme setting. Here you can see lots of elements like site logo, site loader, typography, color switcher, site info, header and many more. All these theme is fully compatible with all the customized setting. Now you know all the methods on how to install a WordPress theme, but if something was unclear, you have questions, don't hesitate to leave your comment below and I will get back to you. And if you like this video, give it thumbs up, share it with friends and subscribe to our channel for more content. Thanks for watching.